Today we'll discuss the third colligative property is depression in freezing point. First, freezing point. Freezing point means is the temperature at which liquid and solid are in equilibrium and two phases have the same vapor pressure. That is called as freezing point, or freezing point is the temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to vapor pressure of its solid is called as the freezing point. Then depression in freezing point is the difference between the freezing point of the pure solvent and that of the solution is called as the depression in freezing point. It is denoted by delta TF. Delta means difference, T for temperature, F for freezing point. Delta TF means depression in freezing point is equal to TF0 minus TF. TF0 means it indicates the freezing point of pure solvent and that of the solution. Then graphical representation of the depression in freezing point. For this, we can plot the graph of the vapor pressure and temperature. In this graph, there must be three curves. One is AB, second is CD, and third is the EF. AB represents the vapor pressure of a solid state pure solvent. CD represents the vapor pressure of the liquid pure solvent, and EF represents the vapor pressure of a solution in a liquid form. EF is always less than that of the CD because it is a vapor pressure of solution. Then, according to definition, the line AB and CD cross at the point B, means at point B vapor pressure of the pure solid and liquid solvent both can be same, means point B is a freezing point and the temperature is called as the freezing temperature. Similarly, E is the intersection of the line AB and EF, and E is called as the freezing point of the solution and the temperature is called as the freezing temperature. That is TF, means delta TF is equal to TF0 minus TF. It is a graphical representation of the depression freezing point. By using next point, using this, we can determine the concentration of solute. Practically, it can be verified that freezing point depression is directly proportional to the molarity of solution. By using the proportionality sign can be cancelled by using the constant delta TF is equal to Kf into M. Kf is called as the cryoscopic constant or molar depression constant, or it is called as depression. It is called a cryoscopic or molar depression constant or freezing point depression constant. Here, if M is equal to 1 means molarity is equal to 1, then delta TF is equal to Kf, means molar depression constant is defined as the depression in freezing point produced by 1 molar solution, and unit of the Kf means cryoscopic constant is delta TF divided by M. Delta TF is the temperature, it can be measured in Kelvin. M means molarity, it can be measured in the mole per kilogram. Then unit is Kelvin, kilogram mole inverse is the unit of the Kf, means molar depression constant or cryoscopic constant. The next point is molar mass of solute by using the depression freezing point. We know that delta TF is equal to Kf into M. M is a molarity of solution, and formula for the M means molarity is W2 into 1000 divided by M2 into W1. Putting these values in the above equation, delta TF is equal to Kf into W2 into 1000 divided by M2 into W1. Rearrange the equation. M2 is equal to Kf into W2 into 1000 divided by delta TF into W1. By knowing the values of the Kf, W2, delta TF and W1, you can determine the molar mass of the solute can be easily calculated. Here, Kf means molar differential constant, W2 means the mass of the solute, W1 means mass of solvent in gram, and delta TF means differential freezing point. It is the explanation of the third Curie property, differential freezing point. Next lecture we can discuss about the osmotic pressure.